Morning friends, in this video I am going to show you on the basic video of MS Paint. So let's start. How to open MS Paint. To open MS Paint, just simply go to the search option and type MS Paint. Or second option you can do, click on the window button and go to the all applications and search for the MS Paints. So we got it MS Paints and let's open it. Now, as you open this window, you will get this white screen. This white screen is known as canvas, where you will draw your shapes and do the art or anything you want. So let's start from this. This is the canvas as you know. To increase its size, you can just drag it from this to there. You can see that the size has been increased. To zoom it, you can click on the right down side. As you can see the zoom in option. You can also press the control plus plus to and to minimize you can see the zoom out option at the right end. I just zoom out. So here you can see upside there is a pen. It is known as navigation pen. Here you will get all the tools like such as sections. There will be sections such as check selections, images, tools, brushes. This all are called sections. Each section has its own tools. Like in image option, they will rotate and this remove background. You will get here tabs. The first is file tab where you can see the all the options related to file. Second is edit. It relate to the your art. It can cut, copy, and paste your file. And this is view option, how it will view your window. So if I want to have the ruler here, then I will select on the ruler. If I want grid lines, I will select on the grid lines. If I want to close, just I will click on again and it will close. Now this is known as width of the. So this is known as selection. Here you can select an object such as if I'm drawing this square and if I want to select it again, as you once you paste it, you can't select it again. To select that, you need to click on the select option and just select it. And you can drag or somewhere or you can delete as well. You can also freeform select if your shape is not and it is an uneven shape. You can select it from freeform select. And beside that, we go to the image section. Image section, you get here remove background. So how remove background will work? If let's have this a square and I'm filling the color in there, that's black. If I want to remove the background, just I click on this and it will remove the background. You can see it will remove that. So this is remove the background. Then beside that, there is a rotate option. For upside rotate, we will rotate right 90 degree and left 90 degree. Let's see. Right 90 degree, it will rotate your triangle to 90 degree right. And left 90 degree, it will rotate your triangle to left 90 degree. Beside that, there is a resize and skew. So in this, you can use two options, percentage and pixels. First is horizontal and vertical. So horizontal, I'm keeping at 90. And vertical, I am keeping at 50 something. Okay. And you can see the shape has been resized. Now, beside that, we go to tool section. In tool section, there is first is pencil tool. You can write on your the canvas by this tool and draw on uneven shapes and all. And there is also a color palette. If I am drawn on and wherein if I want to fill a color with this, I will go select the color palette and select the color in first red color. Then it will select it will color it. Now this is text option. If you want to add text to your file, just name it, just anything if you want. I'm writing KT text to here. If I'm adding this, if you want to add this, you can you can just select this and you can change the height of your text to Arial black and anything. You can change the height. You can change the size of this by the selecting this option. You have till 72. You can increase the height. If you want to change the type of text, then you can go to the change text, and this is Arial. There are many fonts you can see. If you want to do the shape text as bold, you can select or simply press Ctrl plus E. If you want to italic it, then simply press it or type Ctrl plus I. So now here is magnifying. If I want to magnify an object on the canvas, I can use it by clicking it up to that object. This is pinup formula. If you want color of that object to be same, here I will choose it. This is erase option. It is used to erase and everything. It is used to erase an object on the canvas. You can increase the size of eraser by simply pressing the Ctrl plus key to increase and Ctrl plus minus to minimize the size of eraser. This is a brushes. There are many types of brushes. You can see calligraph and many types of brush that you can use in your art. And let's go to the shape section. And in the shape section, you will get many shapes such as we have a straight line, then curved line, then oval, then this rectangle, then rounded rectangle, then polygon, then triangle, then right triangle, and this is diamond, etc. You get many shapes in this. You can also insert your images by simply going to file tab and then selecting the import to canvas. In that you will select from file. I just insert a picture here. That's what the channel logo I have inserted. And if I want to select and cut this and copy, then you can just select it and you can just select it and you can press Ctrl plus C and then Ctrl plus V to copy it. So you can see that I got it. And if you want to do the undo, you can select Ctrl plus Z. If you want to do redo, you click on the control button. Beside that, you will get the colors. So this is color 1 and color 2. Color 1 is the object foreground color and color 2 is object background color. So object background color will be, if I am drawing a square, this color 1 will come as the foreground color and color 2 will come as the background color, which you can see here. This is the background and this is the foreground. And that's how to add a new color. To add a new color, you can simply go to edit colors option in the color selection. Then you can have here edit color, which color you want. You can change its intensity. Just I select and here plus. If you have selected your color, then simply customize color plus and then say okay. Your colors will be here. I just do it. You can see. You can also ask the Copilot to image creator, generate to erase or remove background. Here you can add layers. The layers are you can add layers. Suppose this is the first layer, second layer. If I'm rubbing from first layer, if I'm rubbing this, it won't up because it is another layer. So this MS Paint is not only for the kids; it's also for everyone because it helps a lot in graphic designing and many more things. To save this file, you just need to simply click on Ctrl plus S. You can save anything, just save option, or you can go to the and file tab and you can save it. Or if you want to change the location of the save, then you can select on the save as option and you can select which type. If you want PNG means it will come in the pictures. If you want GIF, it will be interactive. BMP pictures will be used in logos and transparent photos. JPEG will be used, it will be like PNG only. It will be in the documented form. If you want other format, you can also choose this option and just selecting PNG picture. I will select it and I will, if you want to name it something, just name it intro and I will just save it. So I, I hope you like this video and meet you in the next video, which will be on the how to draw different shapes on MS Paints and different with different colors in FS Paint. So thank you. Like, share, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon.